Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help reverse a Ford Ranger manual. Start by selecting a safe open area and setting the parking brake, then depress the clutch fully and shift into reverse. Slowly release the clutch until you find the bite point while giving gentle throttle, and keep hands steady on the wheel. Use short, controlled inputs and practice steering corrections, backing up in a straight line before attempting turns or tight maneuvers. Before moving, perform a quick mechanical and visual check to stay safe and confident. Confirm mirrors are adjusted, blind spots are clear, and the area behind the truck has no obstacles or pedestrians. Test the clutch for smooth engagement and ensure the transmission shifts cleanly into reverse while idling. Also check brake responsiveness and that the parking brake is set. This reduces surprises and helps you focus on clutch control and steering while backing up. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more useful guides. Quick recommendation: try the leak-proof meal prep containers for easy, spill-free lunches after a practice session, great for taking steady meals on the go between lessons. They seal tight, save time, and keep your truck tidy, which is surprisingly relaxing after troubleshooting clutch and steering. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Master a few core techniques to make reversing predictable and safe. Control speed with the clutch bite point and avoid stamping the gas. Small throttle adjustments keep the truck calm. Steer slowly and predictively when rotating the wheel to prevent overcorrection, and use reference points like side mirrors or painted lines to guide alignment. When towing, make tiny steering adjustments and monitor trailer path closely, practicing until you can reverse smoothly under different conditions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.